Hello Cloud Learners, welcome back to our channel Cybersecurity Hub, where we break down complex topics into simple bite-sized lessons. Today we are going to dive into Domain 8 of the CCSK version 5 exam, and that is related to Cloud Workload Security. If you are wondering how to protect virtual machines, containers, serverless apps, and even AI models in the cloud, this video is for you. So without further delay, let's jump in. First, let us start with the learning objectives. In this video, you are going to understand the challenges and uniqueness of creating security approaches for cloud security workloads. Understand security considerations for virtual machines. Understand security considerations for securing containers. Understand security considerations to provide PaaS security. Understand security considerations for securing serverless or function as a service workloads. And finally, understand security considerations for AI workloads. Let's dive into the section 8.1, that is Introduction to Cloud Workload Security. Cloud Workload Security refers to protecting all workloads running in the cloud environments, where it's a virtual machine or a containerized app, a serverless function, or an AI/ML pipeline. Each of these workloads comes with its own set of risks and requires tailored security controls. The goal is very simple. Secure the compute, storage, and networking layers of each workload while maintaining visibility and compliance. Next, we will dive into section 8.2, that is Securing Virtual Machines. Let's start with the most traditional workload, that is virtual machine. To secure VMs in the cloud, use hardened base images and apply latest patches regularly. Enable endpoint protection and host-based firewalls. Limit access using IAM roles and SSH key authentication. Monitor using tools like CloudWatch, Azure Monitor, or Stackdriver. Don't forget to isolate VMs using security groups and network ACLs. In the next section 8.3, we are going to dive into the topic Securing Containers. Containers are lightweight, portable, and fast, but they also bring new security challenges. Here is how to secure them. Scan container images for vulnerabilities before deployment. Use read-only file system and drop unused privileges. Apply network policies to control containers or container communication. Regularly rotate secrets and API keys. Use Kubernetes RBAC and pod security standards. Remember, secure both the containers and the orchestrator. Next, in the section 8.4, we will be discussing about securing serverless and function as a service. Serverless computing and FaaS reduce your ops burden, but not your security responsibility. Minimize permissions using the principle of least privilege. Set strict timeout limits to reduce the attack window. Monitor with tools like AWS X-Ray or CloudTrails. Protect against injection attacks by sanitizing all inputs. Use secure CI/CD pipelines to deploy functions. In the next section, that is 8.5, we are going to discuss Securing AI Workloads. AI workloads often involve sensitive data and high compute resources, making them a target for the attackers. To secure AI/ML in the cloud, encrypt training data in transit and at rest. Monitor GPU and TPU usage to detect anomalies. Control access to models and training pipelines. Validate third-party ML libraries before use. use secure model deployment frameworks like MLflow or SageMaker. And that's a wrap for the domain 8, that is Cloud Workload Security. Whether you are working on the VMs, containers, or even AI models, security has to be built in from the start. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Also, please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you do not miss the next series of videos. Let me know in the comments which cloud workload you secure most often. Until next time, stay secure, stay cloud smart.